sickness roams free, there's a promise of healing, on this we agree. For God is our healer, His touch can restore, a comforter, deliverer, our strength and much more. Through the fire we won't burn, in deep waters we won't drown, for the Lord is with us, His love is profound. Cancer nor disease hold the final say, for the author of life guides us each day. In moments of pain, when suffering feels endless, His presence a balm, so gentle and relentless. I am with you, He whispers, in the night's quiet plea. I am your healer, in me find your peace. Through the fire we won't burn, in deep waters we won't drown, for the Lord is with us, His love is profound. Cancer nor disease hold the final say, for the author of life guides us each day. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord so true. Plans to prosper, not to harm, plans to give hope and a future to you. All things for our good, together work in His grace. In His eternal story, we all have a place. So hold on to faith as He holds on to you. His promises are faithful, His words are true. Through trials and storms, His love remains, a beacon of hope in our pains and strains. Through the fire we won't burn, in deep waters we won't drown, for the Lord is with us, His love is profound. Cancer nor disease hold the final say, for the author of life guides us each day. So let us sing of His love, so deep and so wide. In every moment He's by our side, our healer, our comforter, till the end of our days. In every breath let us offer Him